Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Land. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all? Good to see. Today we are going to present you GOC NEET expected questions. Welcome to our session NEET 1000 most expected questions in the 45 days. So far in this series from the YouTube channel by Infinity Land, we were talking about atomic structure, periodic classification, chemical bonding, chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, thermodynamics, whatnot. Many of these first year physical chemistry topics has been done. Also practical organic chemistry is also done. In today's class, we are entering into the most expected questions from general organic chemistry. In this general organic chemistry, I just want to take this part into three areas, and GOC part 1, part 2 and part 3, and which includes isomerism, nomenclature and classification. And you can see in the isomerism, especially today I just want to give more about the structural isomerism, and next class we are going to talk about more electronic effects as well. And today also I included kind of resonance and aromatic structures in multiple choice question sessions. So everybody take a pen and paper and study with us, and welcome to Infinity Land YouTube channel. And oath of the day, my dear students, crack your NEET examination. Every day take that oath. Please attend the classes on regular basis, every day 1:30, and without missing, and just take a pen and paper and solve along with me, and I am going to give you the answers and key concept behind that, every question. Ready for that? Bacho, very good. So please like our session, share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Land YouTube channel. And in the Google Play Store, you can see Infinity Land app, and you can go with live classes, mock test, create your own test, 24/7 doubt resolution, simply for free of cost. Ready with us? Everybody, get into the question. First question of the day. So students, please give me a thumbs up and fire emoji so that we can start the class, make it fast. Okay, so let's talk about how many sigma and pi bonds are present between carbon atoms in the given structure. Between the carbon atoms, you can see. Hi dopamine, how are you? And whenever you see this kind of structures, you just elaborate the structure. Between carbon atoms it is asked. So it is going to be C triple bond C and C, and it is H and double bond CH2. If you say this, and this is your sigma bond and sigma bond, and you can see there is a pi bond and 3 pi bonds and 3 sigma bonds are seen. So my answer for this question is going to be D. Yeah, ये डोपामाइन ये क्या है? ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड का है, पाई बॉन्ड का ढूंढना है. So practice and solve general organic chemistry. So in this category you are going to see, let us start with a good start, and this is the best example that I can give you to start a smooth start. As questions goes on, little bit difficult questions also come on. And the IUPAC of neopentane. What is neopentane? Okay, follow this. What is neopentane? C5 H12 CN H2N plus 2. This is your pentane. It can have CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2 and CH3. This is a normal pentane, and that is what is an isopentane? CH3, CH2, CH and CH3, and it is going to be CH3. This is called isopentane, right? And you're going to say neopentane is CH3 and C and CH3, and it is going to be CH3 and CH3. This is your neopentane. In this neopentane, universal law of gravitation. Okay, that comes in physics. You just join in the physics class and physics teacher is going to give you the correct peptide. Now this is the longest possible chain. It is a propane and it is 2 methyl groups, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So it is going to be 2 comma 2 dimethyl propane. So this is the actual IUPAC name of neopentane, 2,2-dimethyl propane. So the answer for this question is B. Fine. So as moving ahead, one more question is for you. And IUPAC name of the following compound. I want to see the answers in the chat box. Those students who are preparing for NEET examination, follow with us and give the answers. And so can you explain Rutherford atomic model? So this is a multiple choice question, top of mind. This is the multiple choice question session for the NEET examination. So you want me to join for the Rutherford atomic model is already discussed in the structure of atom. You can watch the recordings. Okay. So let us proceed with what exactly going on here, bacho. Now first, whenever you want to do a IUPAC nomenclature, select the longest possible chain. This is the longest possible chain. Hi Umar. Now let us give the numbering. Once you select the principal carbon chain, let me give the numbering. How do I give the numbering? I can give the numbering by taking lowest sum rule into the account. So 4, 5, 6, 7. By taking this as a methyl group and a methyl group and a methyl group. So it is going to be 2 comma 3 comma 6 trimethyl heptane. So check the answer. Where you find the answer here? 2 comma 3 comma 6 trimethyl heptane. Option D is the correct answer for this question. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Umar, that's very good. Nice. Keep it up and solve along with in every question. I want to take a minute. Hi Ananya, Chitra Noel. Hi, I found you again in the class. Ananya, fine. So now moving ahead, today we are discussing about general organic chemistry, which includes mostly IUPAC and a little bit nomenclature and isomerism and electronic effects, right? And the concept behind that, everything is going to be discussed. Now, if you have a specific doubt and a specific question also, you can ask us so that we can have an elaborated discussion about that. And get ready, a simple tricks will be given here. Follow that. One more. IUPAC name of this structure. IUPAC name of this structure आप कौन दे सकते हैं? जल्दी बताओ. Waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer. Let us take this structure CH2 double bond CH and CH2 and it is connected to C and CH3 and it is going to be connected to C and that C has 2 CH3 groups and CH3 group and the other side is another CH3. So this is the actual structure you need to understand. Elaborate the structure. When you elaborate the structure, you are going to see the longest possible chain. In this longest possible chain, this is the one and this is the one where you are going to see the number 1 over here, number 2, 3, 4. No, double bond is there other side. You can't do that. Double bond is there other side. So that I would say it is the number 1, it is going to be the number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So on doing so, you will be having 4 comma 4 dimethyl, 5 carbon atoms are there. So it is a pent 1-ene. Okay, 1 pentene. Yes, you want to say. Answer is going to be B. Everybody done well, congratulations. Everybody done well, congratulations. So we'll go ahead and move ahead and I just want to give you Umar. Ananya and Kajal Gupta. Welcome to the session. Right. One more question. Answer is B. Everybody is done correct. Kajal Gupta is also given the correct answer. Wonderful. Let's talk about one more question. IUPAC is the name of this. IUPAC is the name of this and this. Structures are different. Again you do it. Looks alike but it is different. So I want answer from everybody. Chitra, I want you to participate, especially for organic chemistry. You have to participate in discussions so that we understand where you go mistake. We will be discussing these questions along with answers and the concept behind the answer. When you give the wrong answer, as a teacher I will understand what is your mistake and how to rectify that mistake. So that will be definitely helpful to you. Yeah. So let us elaborate the structure. That is C double bond C, and it is going to be H and Cl, and it is C, and it is Br, it is connected to CH2, and it is connected to CH3. So this is the actual one. Now let us take the longest possible chain. This is your longest possible chain, right? You can check the carbon numbers. Of course, the numbering should be here 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. Now I just want to write, for your confirmation I want to write this name as 1 chloro, 2 bromo, but 1 ene, or otherwise I can write 2 bromo, 1 chloro, but 1 ene. So while you are writing this IUPAC names, alphabetical order should be followed. So this is not correct and this is correct. Based on that, your answer is going to be, alphabetically this will be wrong if you write 1 chloro then bromo. So bromo first, chloro second alphabet. Answer is going to be C. Everybody done correct. Wonderful. So in this example, I maintained the what is wrong and then what is right, so that who are already able to do it's well and fine, who are not able to do it is a little concern, and this kind of questions are very important for NEET examination preparation. Students, follow us and let's do the best. Okay, the IUPAC is the name of the given compound. One more. When you see the previous NEET examination as well, this kind of questions will be there, right? The structure looks simple. The structure looks. Yashoda, hi. Ayush, okay. You please change the name. Otherwise, Kajal Gupta, you want to say A, right? Okay. You want to say Yashoda, Ayush. Fine. So I just want to give the numbering the other way also. If it is given numbering like this, so you could give the numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. I could give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the correct format of giving numbering. This is the wrong format of giving numbering. Yes, PYQ will be included. PYQ will be included. Okay. So I want to say here, always memorize one thing, a trick I want to give you for IUPAC nomenclature. Trick. Priority should be given for the functional group. FG stands for the functional group. Shivam Mohan. क्लास में अनन्या को हाय बोल रहे No spamming in the class, Kajal. Functional group, after that you have to take the multiple bond. MB stands for multiple bond, and later it should be given for the substituent. When the substituents are same, you have to give the alphabetization into the act. So this is a super awesome trick you can use, and there is no deviation in that. Fine beta? Now when you do this, this is the correct one. So this is 3-methyl, that is cyclohexene. Can you write 3-methyl? Cyclohex 1-ene. Ayush, wait for a minute. Ananya, multiple bond means it include a double bond or a triple bond. Both double bond and triple bond is there. Ayush, please hold on. When both double bond or triple bond is there, you have to give in the whichever comes first. Otherwise, if both are present in the same priorities, you have to take the double bond is more important than triple bond. Okay? Right? So in this, you need not have write this. This is correct. Why? Because unnecessary numbering, unnecessary punctuation should be avoided when you go for the IUPAC naming. So when you put 1-ene or you don't put 1-ene, so doesn't matter, it is a cyclohexene. That's the reason why. Shiva Mohan, please don't spam in the class. Please follow the class. And moving ahead, one more next question here. Answer is going to be A. Whatever you have given is correct answer for this. Now, what is the correct order of stability of the given cations? Given cations. No spamming in the class. Please follow the class. So I want you to give Ayush. Actually, yeah, the name of the student is Ayush but not Yashodaya. Please don't spam in the class. Shivam. Umar, you want to say A? Right. Okay. Kajal, you want to say A? Right. And what about Chitra? Ayush? Yeah, you want to say plus I. Okay. So let me tell you here one thing. Stability of carbocations is directly proportional to positive mesomeric effect, positive hyperconjugation, and a positive inductive effect. So this is the trick. When you talk about the order of this, mesomeric effect or resonance effect is more than hyperconjugation. HC stands for hyperconjugation is more than inductive effect. Among inductive effect is the least effect. Yes, of course, this is the last chance I want to give you, Shivam. If you stop spamming, you will be in the class. Otherwise, you will be removed from the class. So gentle reminder, it is a class. So this class is for full free of cost, right? And you want to have a discussion with a senior faculty like me, you have to pay huge amount of money and go and join in the coaching institutes. But Infinity Learn is providing you for free of cost, and well experienced faculties are designed a very good questions and discussing with the students. So मैं हमारा तरफ से बच्चों के लिए कुछ भला करने का कोशिश करता हूँ. Please respect it. Okay, thank you very much for the students. And here, whenever this is a benzyl carbocation, benzyl carbocation, benzyl carbocation, benzyl carbocation. Okay, we are discussing multiple choice questions for the NEET preparation aspirant. Okay, now let us see, there is something is given. Who is this? Nitro group has a strong minus M effect and a strong minus I effect, right? And the stability of carbocation is inversely proportional to negative mesomeric effect and negative inductive effect. That we'll see. And it is going to have positive inductive effect, that is going to have lone pair of electron is there, na, it can be given. So it is going to be positive mesomeric effect and negative inductive effect, no effect. So when both mesomeric effect and inductive effect is there, and mesomeric effect is considered, why? Because inductive effect is the weakest effect. So among all, this is super stable, and positive inductive effect is making a stable, and there is no effect. And here the one which is destabilizing, minus M effect is destabilizing. Therefore, one is the least stable. This is the method you need to follow when you see this kind of questions in NEET examination. Meso dominated over, yes, of course, inductive effect is less effective. The least electronic effect among all is going to be inductive. After 2 to 3 carbon atoms, it can be ignored and it operates through sigma bond only, and it is the weakest effect, and it is distance dependent, mind it. Okay, so what is your answer for this? And 3 is given, 2 is given, 4 is given, and 1. Getting or not? Clear? Any doubt here? Perfect. Ayush, perfect. Okay, right. So gently instructions are given, and the students are also following chart diagram. Thank you very much for your cooperation, and please look into the one more question here. Yeah, most stable carbocation. Ayush, come on. Kajal, I'll go back. When something is a genuine doubt, I'll go back. Look at this. This is a nitro, na? Let me write this. This is a nitro group, and of course CH2 plus, you know, right. Now when you talk about this, it is going to be electronegative, so that it is a minus I effect. Got it? And when you talk about this, nitrogen, oxygen is more electronegative, so that it is in the resonance. That is called as a minus M effect. Kajal Gupta, hope you understand. Clear? Perfect. So next question, option 3 here. Here you can see it's a secondary carbocation. Here you can see it's a primary carbocation. Here you can see it is allyl. It is also secondary carbocation. So allyl carbocation, excuse me. Now you can see this allyl carbocation is resonance stabilized. So order of stability, benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation, is more stable than tertiary carbocation, secondary carbocation, primary carbocation. So that I just want to say allyl. Sir, how do you say this is, of course, there is a resonance over here. Got it? Allyl carbocation is more resonance. And benzyl and allyl, benzyl is more stable because more is the resonance, more is the stability. Hi Suresh Kumar, welcome to the session. One more question. Yeah, option C is the correct answer. Now one more. Which of the following carbocation is most stable? Most stable. Hi, Sai Kumar, Suresh Kumar, Umar, Sai Kumar, Ayush, Chitra. Thank you very much, Chitra. Kajal Gupta. Yeah. And what about the answer for this question? Ayush, come on. Tomorrow also we will be discussing the connected questions based on this. Tomorrow we will be having more high level questions, mind it. You want to say A? Game account. Sai Kumar. Okay, perfect. Let us go ahead with this. Triphenyl methyl carbocation. Option A ka. This is the carbocation. It is having 3 phenyl groups on it. 3 phenyl groups on it. Right? And this is one CH3, CH2. So only here hyperconjugation can be seen. But here you can see there is a resonance. And here you can a resonance. Sorry, 3 parts it is acquiring its resonance. Three ways it is getting a triple resonance over here. So it is going to be more stable. And is also getting a hyperconjugation. Here also we are getting a resonance. And resonance is seen here 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Resonance it is plus 1. Got it? They are easy. Yeah, these are array. I'll tell you here. There is no way you can say it is easy, Ayush, or difficult. Easy and difficult are the perception of the student mindset during examination. So what I mean to say, if the concept is difficult and you know the answer well and you answered it well and you claim that question is easy, if the concept is so easy, you fail to answer it properly, you feel it little confusing or difficult. So difficult and easy are the perception. I want to say stick to the NCERT and more understanding levels and more application levels, especially for the organic chemistry. And Ayush, these are of course seems like easy, they are not easy. And they can be connected with SN2 reactions, SN1 reactions, E1 reactions. तब आपको पता चलेगा. Okay, next answer is ये. Let's see. Now little bit discussion oriented questions now. Never say it is easy. Now Ayush, you see, look at the question. You tell me it is easy or difficult. Which of the following is the most stabilized carbocation? आप देखना पड़ता है. This is your carbocation. बच्चों, this is your carbocation. And this is your carbocation. And this is your carbocation. And this is your carbocation. You understand? Clear? You're from Sri Chaitanya. So, infinity learn by Sri Chaitanya. Okay. Right. Now you can see here what are the things that are happening. Here resonance is happening. Okay. Here resonance is happening. Here no resonance. No resonance. Here resonance is happening. Here resonance is happening. You can say resonance plus 2. Okay. Here resonance only 1. Here only resonance. And resonance happening on the both sides, it is going to be more stable. and of course it is going to give you extended conjugation. Extended conjugation. Suresh Kumar, fine. So the concept behind this is extended conjugation is always more stable. Extended conjugation is always more stable, bacho. Right? Perfect, perfect. IELTS questions are difficult. Ayush Power, no. IELTS questions हम भी देख लेता हूँ, and they're also moderate, and we are putting some IELTS questions also here. If you want to know any question, you please let us know, so I'll make you to understand. Okay? I'll make you to understand. Now let's talk about answer is going to be D. It is D. And let us go ahead. The stability order of these canonical structures. Canonical structures, आपको देख रहे हैं क्या? So it is a positive charge over here. It is a positive charge. And it is a positive charge. And it is a positive charge. Now you find out the order of stability. Ayush, just when you talk about the stability of resonating structures, what is the meaning of resonating? Canonical structures means resonating structures. You want to say 4? Okay. Now you only talking about easy and difficult, na Ayush. Now I am going to explain you. There is a trick. There is a trick. सुरेश सर का क्लास में हमेशा आपको ट्रिक्स देते रहते हैं. Okay. The structure with octet is always more stable than non-octet. When you talk about carbon with a positive charge, it should have 6 electrons. है ना? That's the reason I never judge a question. I am your teacher, I am presenting. So, as far as my experience is concerned, here 2 is the least stable. So, octet is more than charge. One more, octet is more preferred to decide which is more stable than charge. We can say positive charge on nitrogen and positive charge on oxygen. So that positive charge on oxygen is less stable because oxygen is more electronegative. So I just want to say this. Got it? Ananya, no problem. मैं हूँ ना. Okay, no problem. Watch the recording. So this gives you the correct answer for this question, बच्चों. It is going to be B. 3 is more stable than 1 and 2 is the least stable. लिखा? Got it? Clear? अगर कुछ डाउट होने तो पूछना जल्दी फटाफट अगले क्वेश्चन देने वक्त में. अनन्या, एनी डाउट? आयुष, सुरेश कुमार, काजल, अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, next question is ethyl 2 chlorocarbonyl benzene carboxylate. Okay, we'll do it. We'll do it. What is the most stable canonical structure among these? Most stable canonical structure among these? Okay, मैं कर लेता हूं. Most stable canonical structure of this. When you talk about the stability of canonical structure, you're going to see this is having carbon with a positive charge 6 electrons. It is non-octet and it is carbon with 6 electrons and it is 8 electrons in every atom. So, this is 3 is more stable. Why? Because all the atoms in this follow octet. Okay. Ayush Power, and you just mention in the comment box, go to the session comments and please mention your structure over there. Okay, mention your structure over there. At the end of the session, I am going to put it, right? Ananya, so fine, it is going to be A, of course. Now, let us go ahead with some more questions. It is A. And the most unlikely representation of resonance structure of para-nitrophenoxide ion. What is the meaning of para-nitrophenoxide ion? So, this is your benzene and this is your phenoxide ion, right? And it is a para-nitro. This is your para-nitrophenoxide ion. And unlikely उसमें गलती स्ट्रक्चर कौन सा होगा? गलती स्ट्रक्चर कौन सा होगा? You only have to tell me. Answer. You want to say D? Okay. Ananya? Ayush Power? You want to say C? Sai Kumar? You don't know? Okay. Now, the canonical structure should follow VBT. Resonating, structure should follow valence bond theory. वैलेंस बॉन्ड थ्योरी का हिसाब से नाइट्रोजन मेकिंग अ 5 bonds, which is wrong. So, for this my answer is going to be answer C. This is most unlikely structure. According to VBT, nitrogen never form 5 bonds. So, my answer for this question is going to be C. Got it? Okay, Ananya. So, this much complicated structure जो है ना, ये bond number के हिसाब से answer is given. So, these are the tricks and tips I want to give you in the session. For everywhere you all follow this. Got it? Option सही नहीं देखा. Okay, no problem. अगले और एक क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी करो. In which of the following molecule the resonance effect is not present? I think you can do this. हर स्ट्रक्चर का एक बार रेजोनेंस बना के देखो, आपको पता चलेगा. It's a wonderful interaction with the students. Now, if you want to this, say A, I want to take A. So, रेजोनेंस प्रैक्टिस करने तो अच्छा होगा. NH2. Now, you just want to give this electron positive resonance effect, right? So, what will happen here? It is going to be double bond NH2 plus and a minus. Okay, this is possible. This is possible. Whenever you want to say the same way, it is coming like it is possible. Whenever you want the same way, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. When you want to say this one, you see, let me write the structure for this. N plus and R and R and R. Okay. Look at this. Carefully you can see. You want to say like this? Maybe it can be like this. Maybe it can be like this. So, this you want to say as double bond N, R, R and R plus. Now, again, as far as the previous question is concerned, how come this nitrogen forms 5 bonds? A ऐसे नहीं होगा. Therefore, this is not possible. Answer is B. Chitra, Ayush, Sai Kumar, everybody understand how to solve this question? Everybody understand how to solve this question? Yeah, very good. Next question. Game account. Saharsh Yadav. Kajal Gupta, you understand. Thank you. And which among the following statements are true with respect to electronic displacement of a covalent bond? So, you have to understand each and every statement, especially for NEET examination. Theory oriented statements are going to be trap. It's a trap. You have to understand carefully. Inductive effect operates through pi bond. First of all, you have to find the true. So, which is not correct. And resonance effect operates through sigma bond. In the resonance effect, sigma bond nahi chalta. Inductive effect operates through sigma bond. Yes, of course. Resonance effect operates through pi bond. Yes, it is. So, 3 or 4 are going to be the correct answer. True wala kya? Kajal Gupta, correct answer. You have given correct answer. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Hope you are understanding and enjoying the class. Everybody give a thumbs up and fiery emoji so that, you have to maintain the session energy, right? Come on, next Chitra. One more question. Here it is, answer is A. Well done. And one more question, assertion reasoning. When you see 2024, Sai Kumar, 2024 NEET examination, assertion reasoning, statement type question, match type questions and understanding and application oriented questions are there. For that, in 2025 also you are going to get this. Ready? Assertion reasoning ka hai. Chitra, sir, where can I get this question PDF after class? In the Telegram channel, in the description box it is given. You just click it and join it. हर सेशन का जो क्लास का नोट्स PDF फॉर्म का आपको मिलेगा. It is there and you can enjoy it. Fine button? Perfect. Kajal Gupta, what is the answer for this? Cyclopentadienyl anion is much more stable than allyl anion. What is? Reason is false. Cyclopentadienyl anion is aromatic in character. Are you sure? NEET examination. This is the typical model of the questions. You can expect it. Typical model of the questions. You want me to give? What is cyclopentadienyl anion? This is your cyclopentadienyl anion. And this is going to be resonance stabilized. How it is resonance stabilized? Yes, it is due to aromaticity. So you can say 4n plus 2 is equal to 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So n is going to be 1, it is aromatic. एरोमेटिक का हिसाब से ये ज़्यादा स्टेबल है. So I just want to say here assertion is correct and reason is also correct due to aromatic, and the answer is going to be A. Answer is going to be A. You said reason is false. Sai Kumar, Ayush Power, Chitra. Very good. Now? Kajal Gupta, link is given in the chat box. You can click it and you will get the notes after this session. Wonderful. So don't have to worry. Allyl anion. Allyl means, this is your carbon, double bond carbon and this carbon. And this carbon is called as a vinyl carbon. And this carbon is called allyl carbon. Allyl anion means जो allyl carbon में नेगेटिव होगा, सो उसमें रेजोनेंस होता है, लेकिन एरोमेटिक नेचर नहीं होता है. नाउ हैप्पी, यू अंडरस्टैंड? हाँ, स्टेबिलिटी जो है ना, गोल्डन रूल, स्टेबिलिटी and electronic effects, order of electronic effects, order of electronic effects. I want to say hydrogen bonding is more effective than steric effect, is more effective than aromatic effect, is more effective than resonance effective, then mesomeric hyperconjugation, after hyperconjugation you can say inductive effect. Inductive effect. So aromatic effect is more effective than resonance effect. Ayush Power, you just mentioned in the comment box after the session also you can see. Every day after session is completed, I am going to look at that session and I am going to provide you the any doubt that you have, and that is one way. Another way, in the Infinity Learn app, you are going to have a support team and you can connect with the support team. They are going to connect with us. Okay, Virendra Tripathi, paper leak at CBSE. Really? No, it's not like that. Okay, don't spread the rumors. Okay, Shahashri Yadav, I am doing questions for the NEET examination. Okay, it's not a new channel, a old channel only, and a new series is launched. Okay, practice and solve general organic chemistry, most expected 1000 questions. I just make it 1500 questions in the last 45 days of the preparation, right? Thank you very much. Virendra Tripathi, Chitra, Ayush Power, any doubt, a simple trick will be there. That is given with. So next question, come on. Which of the following is an aromatic? Now, I said, just now I said, now, every question I have a trick. Every question I have a trick. Okay. So, aromatic, you want to say compound to be aromatic. There is a criteria of aromaticity. You can see the criteria of aromaticity. Point number 1. It should be cyclic and planar, and it should be complete delocalization of the pi electron system, and 4 Huckel rule should be followed. What is Huckel rule? 4n plus 2 number of pi electrons. Solve for n should be equal to 0 to any number infinity. If a structure is checked with these 3 points, okay, if you find the structure, this point is okay, this point is okay, this point is okay, then only you can say the compound is aromatic. Golden rule. Then only you can say the compound is aromatic. Unwantedly, you can say either of the first or second point is lost, and there is no sense of looking at the third point. It is said to be non-aromatic. If the first point is accepted, second point is accepted, unfortunately third point is not accepted. Srinivasan, it is said to be anti-aromatic. So there should be a way in understanding the NEET question and solving the NEET question. So you can say the order of stability again. Aromatic is more stable, non-aromatic is more stable, anti-aromatic. Aromatic compounds are super stable, anti-aromatic compounds are unstable. Now this is sp3 hybridizer comes in between. No, it is a non-aromatic. This is aromatic, and this is anti-aromatic, and this is also non-aromatic. So my answer, aromatic compound, answer is going to be B. Nandu, hi, Kala, yesterday you are not there in the class? Nandu, you came late, why? Okay, any doubts? So this is a golden rule. Everybody take a snapshot. Srinivasan, you want to say D? No, it is aromatic. Option B is the correct answer for this. Next question. Which of the following is aromatic? Again. Which of the following is an aromatic? Solve it. When you say the questions initially looks so soft and easy, dead easy. Game account D, Kashal Gupta C, Nandu, your answer, Srinivasan, your answer, Ayush Kumar, Chitra, Sai Kumar, Suresh Kumar. Healthy, happy, be happy. Now I just want to introduce you a new concept called quasi-aromatic. Now I want to say the answer is going to be C. Answer is going to be C. How? Look at this. The lone pair of electron is coming over here, and it is going to be here, it is going to be here, right? Now as a result of this, Now this is aromatic. This kind of phenomena is called as a quasi-aromatic. Quasi-aromatic. You understand? Clear? Answer is C. Very good. It is going to be C. And this kind of questions, a flow of questions, maybe 150 questions. I just want to take GOC 1, GOC 2, GOC 3 also. Okay, I'll make one more GOC extension class, no problem. But I'll make my students to be confident in GOC. That's promise I want to give you. That's the promise I want to give you. You all stand with me. You all support me. Hai na? Fire emoji and thumbs up. Come on, next question. Which of the following carbanion is aromatic? Carbanion is aromatic. Everybody knows this. We already did it. Most stable is aromatic here. What is the answer? Srinivasan, perfect. Srinivasan, perfect. So, cyclopentadienyl carbanion is aromatic. Okay, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6 electrons, n is equal to 1. If you solve n is equal to 0 to infinity, an integer should be there and it is an aromatic. If you get any fractional number, it is non-aromatic. Fine, better? One more question. I don't want to disturb much of time. Srinivasan, perfect. And option is going to be B. Similar to that. Aniline is weaker base than ethylamine. This is due to okay, basic, base. Here is also I have a super awesome trick. Basic strength, mind it बच्चों, is directly proportional to availability of lone pair on nitrogen. Lone pair on nitrogen atom. That is the super awesome trick. Yes, of course. Is there any aromatic compound which can have sp3 carbon? Yes, of course, it is there. sp3 carbon. Fine. Carbon with negative charge, carbanion is sp3, na? That's good. Now, let's talk about, in other ways, we can say basic nature is directly proportional to positive mesomeric effect, positive inductive effect. Inversely proportional to negative mesomeric effect, negative inductive effect. Right? Now, due to resonance, when you talk about this, NH2, due to resonance, availability is less. So, due to resonance, and it is going to be option D, plus or effect of NH2 group in aniline. Don't correlate this. NH2 group on benzene in aniline. Good. Very good. Answer is D. Perfect, my dear students. It's a good gathering, and today we discussed about near about 40 questions. And tomorrow, please join the class, and we are going to continue with more acidic and basic and other kind of GOC related questions. Stay tuned. Hope you like this session. Please like this session and share with your friends, and subscribe to Infinity Learn YouTube channel, and you just click the link in this Super 40. Yes, that's good. And click the link in this chat box. It is given in the description box for the Telegram channel, so that this session notes you are going to get it. And tomorrow time 1:30, every day my session is going to be at 1:30. Okay, thank you very much. Beautiful explanation. Thank you everybody in the class. Love you. Okay, so I'm eager to take class tomorrow. Some more time I'll take it, not a problem. Okay, signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land YouTube channel. Thank you. फिर मिलेंगे कल. Bye bye.